Proudly serving our community for over 85 years, Cadillac Village of Norwood is the #1 Cadillac dealer in New England. Our numbers are on your side even more now. Here's the vehicle for you.
The 2013 CTS-V Coupe is the complete package. A stunning, high-performance sport coupe with overt styling and extraordinary capability on the road. The Eaton supercharged and intercooled 6.2-liter V8 engine generates a massive 556 horsepower and 551 pound-feet of torque. Put the power to the pavement with your choice of an available Tremec 6-speed manual shifter or Hydra-Matic 6-speed automatic. Once launched, performance handling is assured by a Nürburgring tuned suspension fitted with revolutionary dual-mode magnetic ride control that reacts in the blink of an eye to changing demands. And race-inspired Brembo disc brakes. 6-piston in front, 4-piston in back deliver massive stopping power. Inside, the driver-centric cockpit features full instrumentation with LED traced gauges that flash as redline approaches and an available G-meter that communicates lateral acceleration. Available bolstered Recaro performance seats keep the driver firmly planted during performance driving. Passenger safety is a primary consideration throughout the engineering process. All CTS models are carefully designed to provide a host of features to help you avoid accidents in the first place and to help protect you if an impact does occur. The 2013 CTS-V Coupe, the fastest production coupe in the world.
Thousands of satisfied customers will tell you Cadillac Village of Norwood is the place to get your best deal. We have hundreds of new pre-owned and certified pre-owned vehicles to choose from, so we're sure to have what you're looking for. Contact our internet sales team today at 888-518-2394 or stop on by. We are conveniently located on Route 1, the Auto Mile.